Could it be that lava is literally bringing precious metal like gold and silver from our precious Earth's core to the surface? Scientists say yes, and it changes everything about how we value precious metals. So stay tuned until the end, where I will uncover what's really happening beneath our feet. Hi, I'm Christine, and I am stacking gold for my retirement, and I'm stacking silver mainly, just starting with my precious metal journey. And this is for my retirement. And this video is going to blow your mind. So don't forget to like and subscribe and download your free stacking calculator in the description. So let's dive in, shall we? So how is this possible? I had a feeling about this many years ago, but scientists have uncovered, they've discovered that a volcano eruption may be leaking precious metals like gold and silver and platinum from deep within the Earth's core. Wow, just think about what I've just said there. It's so beautiful. According to the research published in Nature's Geoscience, metals bond with sulfur and carbon dioxide goes in the mantle and are carried upwards with magma. So when these volcanoes erupt, especially in subduction zones like this specific ring of fire, they deposit veins of silver, gold, and copper in its crust. Did you ever imagine that? I didn't. I knew something mysterious, and although it is dangerous, I knew that there was something beautiful when you see it, but it is dangerous and it kills people's lives, don't get me wrong. But to imagine that that is what's happening. How much metal are we talking about here? Well, one study estimates millions of tons of precious metals are trapped beneath the Earth's crust. Gold and silver may form, they call it nanoparticles, that are only released under extreme pressure and temperature during such as the lava eruptions. There's active regions like New Guinea, Japan, Chile are amongst the richest in its natural occurring gold and silver deposits. But there's implications. You may think more gold and silver means lower prices, but that's not the case. It's not true. Much of it is unreachable, and extracting it requires enormous risk and investments. People can get injured, they could lose their lives. There's lots of reasons why we're not able to go that far down into the earth. And why would we want to do that? Because there's got to be a cause and effect to this. We've all seen Jewels of the Nile, for example, disturbing something that is sacred. So this scarcity combined with growing demand means gold and silver are still incredibly long-term hedges against inflation, fiat collapse, and economic instability. I call it, this is nature's gift, God's gift to us. that is accessible, providing we don't abuse. So silver, as we speak today, is doing really well. It's at 34, let me just have a look here quickly. It is at $34.24, for example. So this precious metal, it comes from the earth. It comes from volcanoes. It comes from meteorites that boom, land on this earth. It comes from the rocks that we see. That's why we love to go for nature walks. We love to be at one with nature because we feel connected. So, like I said, silver is not just a store of value, it's a critical industrial metal as well. So every time an electronic vehicle is made, the solar panels are installed, or batteries produced, silver disappears from circulation. Pair that with the fact that we're not mining enough. You've got the perfect storm for a silver price breakout. And this is why I'm so excited here. I am saving silver, stacking silver 1 ounce at a time. For example, doesn't cost me much, $34 for example, 1 at a time. Like I said, with my YouTube revenue, I'm able to get 2 silver coins monthly, and that is my stacking strategy, and it is a 10-year strategy so that I've got a booster for my retirement, or if there's a crisis breaks out. So like I said, silver price is due for a breakout, just like how volcanoes erupt. So lava is literally a messenger from the Earth's core, and it's telling you to pay attention. We've got to look after this earth that we're on as well. So if you are stacking silver and gold, you're not just investing, you're preserving your wealth, tied to the very origin of our planet. It's tied to the planet, not cash. That is devaluing. That was man-made. I would love for you to download the free stacker, the 10-year stacker that I've created and that I am using. There is a video here as well for you to put your gold and silver that you're stacking. Look, the supermarkets, they are purchasing gold and silver for you to buy. Costco, for example, they wouldn't be doing that for no reason. And now gold and silver, most states in the United States are making it legal tender. So gold, like I said, and silver, precious metals, they are oozing from our Earth's core into the mantle. And like the scientists are saying, they are now finding deposits on the surface, according to the new study published by the journal Nature. So Earth's largest gold reserves are not kept in Fort Knox, the United States bullion depositories. Researchers from the University of Göttingen said in a release, in fact, they are hidden much deeper in the ground than one would expect. more than 99.999% of Earth's stores of gold and silver with other precious metals lie buried under 3,000 kilometer of solid rock. Wow. Locked away. It's a treasure locked away within the earth metallic core and far beyond the reaches of humankind. But researchers, they are saying how stunned that they are to discover this. And there's traces of precious metals like iridium, known as Ru, in volcanic rock on the islands of Hawaii. That must ultimately have come from the Earth's core. The Earth's metallic core contains a slightly higher concentration of this precious metal than the rocky mantle. You see, we are, like I said, silver is going to increase. It's not like you can get silver and gold easily. It takes time. And although when volcanoes erupt, and apparently there was meteorites that landed on Earth as well, that created these rocks that formed, and gold, etc. But they're so deep into the core that we can only get at the veins when they come to the surface. So it is a precious metal. It is needed highly for everyday life now that we've created this. So think about today and think about what you're looking at with regards to stacking gold or silver. I just wanted to share this with you today because I really found that fascinating. I found it very fascinating to really think about where this gold and silver, where it erupts, where it comes from, for example, because when we from when we're young, we buy things, jewelry, and we don't really think how old it is, how old it actually is. It's amazing. And that's going to be my next video on Saturday, and I hope that you'll be able to watch and listen and tell me what you think. So that's it for today. In today's video, I just wanted to share that story with you about lavas are oozing precious metals. And do like and subscribe. Join me in my stacking journey, and do download the free gift, which is the 10-year stacking guide. So have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care. Thank you. Bye.